Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just showing you my latest set of nails. I really just sat down and decided to play with some purples. Here I'm just drilling off the previous design I had on my nails, and I do have a clear layer of builder gel. Here I'm using a needle bit on my drill to just clean up around the cuticle area, take off any dry skin or any dry cuticles that may be attached to my nails. Next I switch over to a ball bit to clean up my cuticles. I prefer to clean them that way instead of a cuticle nipper. You will see me go in and just clean up any excess with the cuticle nipper, but overall I do prefer the ball bit. I'm moving on to using an acid-free primer and a base coat just to ensure that there is no lifting later on. So here I'm using a nude, almost transparent base that I thought I was going to use as the base to my design, but I really ended up just putting a lighter pink on top of it to use as the base of the design. So here I'm showing the dark purple mix that I made. I just used a purple acrylic paint in a plum color, a black gel nail polish, and a darker red gel nail polish. Next, I'm showing you the three other colors that I use in the design. The first is a mauve pink, the next is a really pale lavender, and the third is a mauve purple. Now for the design, I really just did whatever I felt I needed in certain areas or whatever felt right or would work together. For every nail, I did start with a darker base first and then started to work in the lighter colors. I also added a gold foil to the design just in random spots wherever I thought it would look best. After the design is done and the top coat has cured, I just go ahead and add some cuticle oil to finish everything off. Here's the final design. I hope you all enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching.